Hello everyone. In today's class I am going to start exercise 2.6, which are word problems. The first word problem is Granny makes necklace for Kirti store. She has 6848 beads. Out of this, 3752 are red beads, 1089 are green, and the rest are yellow. How many yellow beads does she have? What is the meaning of this word problem? ग्रेनी ने कीर्ति स्टोर के लिए नेकलेसेस बनाए. उसके पास 6848 बीड्स हैं. उसमें से 3752 रेड बीड्स हैं और 1089 ग्रीन बीड्स हैं, और जो बाकी की बची हुई बीड्स हैं वो येलो कलर की हैं. तो अब आपको बताना है कि येलो कलर की बीड्स कितनी हैं. सो एक्सरसाइज 2.6 क्वेश्चन नंबर A. Solution. She has 6848 beads. Total number of beads 6848. She has 6848 beads. Number of red beads. How many red beads? 3752. Number of green beads. How many green beads? 1089. So first you have to find number of red and green beads. So you have to add 3752 and 1089. Okay. So 9 plus 2 will be 11. Carry over 1. 8 plus 1 9. 9 plus 5 14. Carry over 1. 1 plus 7 8 and 3 plus 1 4. So number of red and green beads are 4841. Now you have to find number of yellow beads. Number of yellow beads. So total number of beads are 6848 and red and green beads are 4841. So you have to subtract 4841 from 6848. So 8 minus 1 will be 7, 4 minus 4 will be 0, 8 minus 8 will be 0 and 6 minus 4 will be 2. So how many yellow beads are there? 2007. So answer is thus Granny has 2007 yellow beads. Second word problem is on Monday 2523 men, women and children visited the Science Museum. There were 845 men, 639 women and the rest were children. Find the number of children who visited the Science Museum. मंडे के दिन 2523 मैन, वुमेन एंड चिल्ड्रन साइंस म्यूज़ियम विज़िट करते हैं. उसमें से 845 मैन हैं, 639 वुमेन हैं और बाकी के चिल्ड्रन हैं. तो आपको नंबर ऑफ चिल्ड्रन फाइंड आउट करना है. सो व्हाट इज द सॉल्यूशन? यू हैव टू राइट नंबर ऑफ मैन, women and children visited the Science Museum 2523. Number of men 845. Number of women 639. So number of men and women, you have to add 845 and 639. So 9 plus 5 will be 14, carry over 1, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 1 8, and 8 plus 6 will be 14. Okay, so number of men and women are 1484. Now you have to find number of children. So you have to subtract 1484 from 2523. Can you subtract 4 from 13? No. So you have to borrow from 2. 2 will be 1 and 3 will be 13. 13 minus 4, 9. Can you subtract 8 from 1? No. So you have to borrow from 5. 5 will be 4 and 1 will be 11. 11 minus 8, 3. 4 minus 4, 0. And 2 minus 1 will be 1. So the answer will be, thus 1039 children visited the Science Museum. Next chapter is chapter number 3, multiplication. So first you should know multiplication tables. This is multiplication table. 1 1 za 1, 1 2 za 2, 1 3 za 3, 1 4 za 4, 1 5 za 5, 1 6 za 6, 1 7 za 7, 1 8 za 8, 1 9 za 9, 1 10 za 10. Now table of 2. 2 1 za 2, 2 2 za 4, 2 3 za 6, 2 4 za 8, 2 5 za 10, 2 6 za 12, 2 7 za 14, 2 8 za 16, 2 9 za 18, 2 10 za 20. 3 1 za 3, 3 2 za 6, 3 3 za 9, 3 4 za 12, 3 5 za 15, 3 6 za 18, 3 7 za 21, 3 8 za 24, 3 9 za 27, 3 10 za 30. Now 4. 4 1 za 4, 4 2 za 8, 4 3 za 12, 4 4 za 16, 4 5 za 20, 4 6 za 24, 4 7 za 28, 4 9 za 36, 4 10 za 40. 5 1 za 5, 5 2 za 10, 5 3 za 15, 5 4 za 20, 5 5 za 25, 5 6 za 30, 5 7 za 35, 5 8 za 40, 5 9 za 45, 5 10 za 50. 6 1 za 6, 6 2 za 12, 6 3 za 18, 6 4 za 24, 6 5s are 30. 6 6s are 36. 6 7s are 42. 6 8s are 48. 6 9s are 54. 6 10s are 60. 7 1s are 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are 21. 7 4s are 28. 7 5s are 35. 7 6s are 42. 7 7s are 49. 7 8s are 56. 7 9s are 63. 7 10s are 70. Now table of 8. 8 1s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 8 3s are 24. 8 4s are 32. 8 5s are 40. 8 6s are 48. 8 7s are 56. 8 8s are 64. 8 9s are 72. And 8 10s are 80. Table of 9. 9 1s are 9. 9 2s are 18. 9 3s are 27. 9 4s are 36. 9 5s are 45. 9 6s are 54. 9 7s are 63. 9 8s are 72. 9 9s are 81. 9 10s are 90. Now table of 10. 10 1s are 10. 10 2s are 20. 10 3s are 30. 10 4s are 40. 10 5s are 50. 10 6s are 60. 10 7s are 70. 10 8s are 80. 10 9s are 90. And 10 10s are 100. This is the multiplication table. And these are the tables from 1 to 10. Now the squares you can see in the book which are in the color of white. See, 1 1s are 1, means this number is the square of 1. 4 2 2s are 4, so 4 is the square of 2. See number 9. 9 is square of 3. 3 3s are 9. Same way 16. 16 is the square of 4. 4 4s are 16. 25. 25 is the square of 5 because 5 5s are 25. 36 is the square of 6 because 6 6s are 36. Same way 49 is the square of 7 because 7 7s are 49. 64 is the square of 8. 8 8s are, when you multiply 8 in 8 you will get 64. So 64 is the square of 8. Then 81. 81 is the square of 9 because 9 9s are 81. So 81 is the square of 9. And 100 is the square of 10 because when you multiply 10 into 10 you will get 100. So these numbers are called square of the numbers. Now there are some multiplication facts in this chapter. Multiplication facts. जैसे आपने एडिशन फैक्ट्स और सब्ट्रैक्शन फैक्ट्स पढ़े हैं वैसे ही मल्टीप्लिकेशन फैक्ट्स भी हैं. व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट फैक्ट? When we multiply any two number and if we change the order of the number, the product will remain same. Okay, this is the first fact. What is the first fact? When we multiply two numbers in any order, the product will remain same. For example, 2 multiplied by 3. 2 3s are 6. And if I am changing order of the number, 3 multiplied by 2, you will get again 6. 3 2s are 6. These are called product. So when we change order of the number and multiply two numbers, the product will remain same. Another example, 7 3s are 21 and 3 sevens are 21. In both the cases, the products are same. Now the second fact is, the factors can be grouped in any way, the product remain same. Here I am taking 3 numbers, and if I am changing the group of numbers, the product will remain same. See, here are 2 numbers 5, 2 and 6. If I am grouping 5 and 2, means if I am multiplying 5 and 2 first, so 5 2s are 10, and if I multiply 6 after that, then you will get 60. 10 6 are 60. But if I am multiplying 2 and 6 firstly, then you will get 2 6 are 12. And then if I am multiplying 5 after that, you will get again 60. So in this case, I am changing the group of numbers. So this is the second fact. When you change the group of the numbers, the product will remain same. So students, I have explained 2 multiplication facts, and another 2 multiplication facts are remain, which I will explain in another video lesson, means next video lesson. So that's all for today. Have a nice day.